Welcome to Smart Simplified. Why financial education is the best investment. Financial experts take the time to understand the basics of personal finance advice. From how to manage your checking or debit account to how to pay your bills promptly. Financial literacy is one of the most important investments you can make. We are going to share with you many reasons why. 1. It allows you to strategies. Planning is the key to any financial success. Investment is where it all begins. You can learn the financial education you need to be able to invest. How to save effectively, what type of investments you should make, and what kind of investing to do. Assets you would like to purchase. Financial literacy will also help you to do your due diligence. There are steps to take before investing in a project that might be risky. You can also plan for your retirement by making a plan early. Financial literacy can make a big difference in your life. People who plan and learn their finances well can have less worry. You can rest better and feel more confident knowing you are well prepared for the future. 2. It provides financial security. Financial security is the assurance that you are financially secure. We feel better when we don't worry about money. This can often mean having enough income to live comfortably. Cover all expenses, including utilities and debt. This also means you are controlling your finances and not worrying about them. In case of an emergency. The beauty of being financially literate lies in the do anything. It lets you know that your finances are well managed and in order. It is one thing to make an initial investment but another to maintain. You can make a difference if you have financial literacy experience. You can arrange your finances quite easily. You can plan everything correctly from the beginning. Financial security is easily regarded and accessible to which investment portfolio you choose. This will ensure a secure future for you and your dependents for many years. Many people live by their means, which can lead to significant problems. There are many things to consider, such as paying off loans and maintaining a specific life. You go through your income so quickly that you don't have any chance of saving anything. You'll feel more inclined to set goals once you have financial knowledge. These goals may make you more motivated and excited to achieve them. Setting financial goals can reduce the anxiety and stress you experience. Face your financial reality head-on. You can create a budget if you are financially competent. All your financial needs will be met. You can do whatever you want with your money. Be it buying a car, starting a business, or taking a vacation with your family. It all works perfectly without putting a strain on your finances. Quality of life. A higher quality life is a more enjoyable life. You can take care of the most basic needs and sound some luxuries while still having over. Save for the future and emergency funds. Financially allows you to live without debt. Avoid gambling and investing traps that can drain your funds. Financial helps you live comfortably by reducing your spending and saving. A well-planned investment strategy. Financial literacy is essential. The role in improving the quality of life success. Every person in society. Your ability to live a good life is limiting. Ability to access financial and material resources. A lack of adequate levels. Despite having financial knowledge, it is very different easy-term wealth. It will help you avoid financial fraud and scams. Financial literacy is a great way to avoid getting into financial trouble. World. Other money-making strategies. This ensures you have time to make financial decisions. It is possible to have disastrous financial results if you don't know how to manage your money. Like falling prey to fraud and scams. A study found that people who were able to identify fraud and scams more often than those who weren't. Feeling financially insecure makes it more likely to turn to fraudsters. Did you know that financial literacy is one of the most essential in critical scamming? People can be made more vulnerable by being educated about phishing scams. Avoid falling for a scam. It is essential to take action steps to protect yourself. Secure retirement as you age. It is vital to essential. A basic understanding of your finances and the workings of financial products can profoundly affect making informed decisions. Your financial situation and ability to meet your financial future needs. Being on top of your finances is key to feeling comfortable and enjoying life. Your retirement. The study found the good long-term financial literacy. They had positive outcomes in retirement. They were able to demonstrate financial literacy. They have a strong sense of control over their finances. Financial literacy is also essential. Your status is an indicator of your well-being. You have control over financial education. You have control over your finances, and money is controlling you. This is how it works. This empowers you and makes it easier to be more decisive and confident with your money. Changes in your attitude toward finances can profoundly affect money. You can understand the workings of interest rates and debt better if you have a financial education. You will learn how to avoid disasters and distinguish between necessities and luxuries. Managing your money requires constant attention to your spending habits and arrangement. Account and not living beyond your means are the key to financial success. A foundation of a successful business is to have a solid financial plan. Personal finance planning is the ability to budget. Budgeting involves the ability to analyze and make changes. You might be able to change some of your spending habits. You can control your money, not your money. It is essential having a plan to save money. Avoid financial crises and feel secure is important. People, financial literacy can prevent us from making poor financial decisions. They are helping us become financially stable and self-sufficient. Relearning is the first step to financial literacy if you find all this appealing. How to make a budget, track your spending, pay off debt, and plan for retirement. These areas can be taught to you by learning about money, how it works, and setting goals. Being aware of unethical financial practices and managing financial problems. You never know what life might throw at you. It can be frustrating at times. There are simple steps that you can take to financial literacy. Get the books. This is the first step to financial freedom. Literacy is the ability to read and comprehend everything money-related investing, money management, and finances. You can start by learning how to pay yourself, how to pay off and manage debt. Start with magazines, newspapers, or books. They teach you about finances. Financial literacy is possible through books. Spend a few hours each week rereading books on money, management, investing, and finances. You will notice the difference immediately. Financial literacy course. It is now easier than ever to take a course in finances. There are many different ways to learn, depending on your situation. You can take a college class, enroll in classes, or study at an adult education center. This center is vital for people who want to learn more about financial literacy. You only need structure to learn. These courses are usually expensive, but you can find some for free. These are available online for free and include great teachers. Financial management tools. It doesn't need to be difficult or boring to manage your finances. Technology and the internet offer a wealth of tools that will welcome more productivity. You will not only learn a lot, but you'll also be able to organize and visualize yourself. You can connect many online services to your computer. You can monitor your spending by opening checking and savings accounts, using credit cards, and getting a mortgage. You can also use the tools to create a budget. 4. Listen to podcasts. It might be difficult to find time to read books. This is especially true if you are busy with work and your family. Podcasts are a great way to stay on top of your life. You can find many songs to listen to while you are on your way to work. Running is a great way to keep fit while doing household chores. You can run errands and walk the dog. It is very convenient and an excellent way to absorb financial news. Ask for financial advice. Answer your financial questions, whether about money or more complex matters. And more compensated long-term scenarios. They can also evaluate your current situation. We can help you create a financial plan and keep you on track. You now know that financial education is one of the best investment statements you can make in your life. It is low risk and has minimal fees and huge returns. It is the best investment you could make. The sooner you get one, the better. Knowledge is power. It will enable you to make confident and wise decisions about your finances. Your financial education is the best investment you can make. Make a difference for a better tomorrow. That being said, we thank all of you. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have a wonderful day and that we all see each other in the next one. English.